I'm going to review this nail polish remover. It's 100% acetone. It takes off artificial nails, glitter polish, nail polish, gel, nail glue, etc. Since it is acetone, it is pretty strong, yet I still am able to take off nail polish off my skin if needed. So I soak in the acetone nail remover and I just get to work. Usually red nail polish is hard to get off. It just smears. Or usually there still is a light red shade on the nail, but this nail remover takes off everything. Look how clear my nails are. It's almost like they were never painted. So impressive. The removed nail polish on my right hand is literally from holding the cotton ball. That's how strong this stuff is. It takes off everything. This nail polish remover is very impressive. It gets the job done.